Well, this is a very typical and easy problem to solve. You basically gotta go find, you gotta figure out what they're asking you for. It's basically what you always gonna want to do on a problem like this. Basically, figure out what's been asked from you and what's information that you've been given. Try to write it down in a mathematical way. So basically, say it's saying that Raymond swam 231 meters in 6 minutes. At this rate, how many meters can he swim in 15 minutes? Very useful, very easy way to solve it. There are different ways to do it. In fact, you can use proportionality, or you can use a little reasoning, like a physical way to solve it would be figure out whether the way to solve it would be figuring out what the rate what the rate Raymond is swimming is. Essentially 231 meters. He goes 231 meters in 6 minutes. So what would that rate be? Essentially, it's basic math. You only gotta do is divide 231 by 6, and you will obtain 38.5 feet per minute. And then if you want to find out how many meters will he go in 15 minutes, you basically multiply this rate, to the amount of minutes, and you will see that you get exactly 577.5 meters. And that's basically the first way to do it. The other way to do it is using proportionality. So basically, this would be the way I usually do it. It's really easy way to do it. Solve any proportionality problem like this. You just gotta make sure that you just gotta figure out if the proportionality is direct or indirect. In this case, we have direct proportionality because it's time. Time usually is a proportional. Time and distance are proportional units. So you're gonna use this method. Basically, you're gonna say that 231 is to 6 minutes, such as x, which is the amount of meters you're trying to figure out that it goes by, is to 15 minutes. So, and then you pretty much try to cross multiply and figure out what the value for x will be. So you go this way, multiply these two, and make them equal to 15 times 231. That'll be 6x equals 15 times 231. So if you solve for that, you basically divide by 6 both sides of the equation, and you will get the x is equal to 15 times 231. That's 34. That's 34.65. Then divided by 6, I'm doing it real quick. That'll give you the same answer, 577.5 meters. And this is this is another way to verify the answer. And you always want to find different ways of double checking your answer, especially when it comes to algebra. There are always different ways to go around and figure out that if what you did was the right way. Because you scarcely find two different methods having giving you error on them. So that's basically it, and I hope you guys get it.